At 10 o'clock, during a time when many people look for creative ways to support healthcare workers during one of the most challenging times of their career, News 8's Sierra Hignite spoke to one man who organized a meal train as a way to give back.
It all started when a man wanted to help out his wife and the other healthcare workers on her unit at St. Vincent Hospital. Now he says he doesn't know how to sew, so he couldn't make a mask. So instead, he came up with a different idea that's all online that allows anyone to help out at any hospital in Indianapolis at the click of a finger. Tyler Brooks' wife is a nurse. He knows the realities of what she and her fellow healthcare workers are going through right now.
I know she's been working ridiculously long hours and often not getting breaks. And just one of the ways that I knew how to give back, I know how to organize things and help provide food.
To help, he organized a meal train where people can have food delivered from restaurants straight to the hospital. Already 300 people have signed up to send meals.
It's just another way for us to kind of start saying thank you from a distance when we can't be there, directly to support.
When a person signs up to send a meal, they're feeding 20 to 30 people who work in that unit.
That's some 6,000, 6,500 meals in the last 6 days that we've been able to provide for frontline workers.
Kayla Hall is a nurse in the ICU at Methodist.
I've had a lot of people reach out to me and ask what they can do, and it's kind of hard because unless you are on those front lines, there's not a lot you can do except for stay home.
Hall's unit has received a meal every day from the meal train since it started.
We're booked through April 17th as far as I've seen, which is amazing.
She says during a time that is grim inside Indianapolis hospitals, having something to look forward to is helpful.
Everything else in our unit and our patient population for the next foreseeable future is unknown, but at least we can walk in and say, okay, this week I know I'm going to get Chick-fil-A.
There are 20 options already set up for different hospitals and units around Indianapolis.
It's honestly one of the best feelings to know that people care enough to actually show their support.
If you want to sign up to help out one of these hospitals and be a part of this meal train, you can head to our website, wishtv.com. We've got the link for you right there. Reporting, I'm Sierra Hignite, Wish TV, wishtv.com, and follow us on Facebook.
Indianapolis Colts owner Jim Irsay making a big donation to healthcare workers. He took to Twitter saying he was able to get more than 10,000 N95 masks. Those masks are specifically for medical workers. Irsay says the masks will go to the Indiana State Department of Health for distribution whenever they are needed. Irsay also gave $1 million to Gleaners Food Bank last month in relief efforts. Churches are having to be creative for Palm Sunday services. Chapel Hill United Methodist Church on the city's west side held service drive-in style. People stayed in their vehicles with palm branches. Many people we talked to enjoyed the time out of the house and having the opportunity to still participate.
This is a whole new ball game for all of us. I mean, the whole world. We've never seen anything like this. And to be able to come out on a Palm Sunday and just this begins Holy Week.
Tonight, 7 o'clock, start.
There's no words. It's just spectacular.
Streaming online services have been happening at that church 3 times a week, and there is a food pantry as well that's helping out the congregation.